Good morning, guys. It's holiday today, and it's Tuesday, and woke up late because today's a crappy day. I just want to tell you why. Okay, so it's really a crappy day today because the thing is we were supposed to be flying to Queenstown right now. We have a destination wedding this coming Thursday, Friday. I'll be shooting my old friend Dipai and Vinci for their wedding, and I've organized Don and Aldine to do the video. But the thing is, my visa didn't push through. I had a visa last August, but they had a big delay with the visas right now. So yeah, I'm not able to go. I'm stuck here in Melbourne. I feel so bad. I have to reorganize the team. Like Don has to do photos and Aldine does video alone. The initial setup was Don was supposed to do a video with Aldin, and yeah, I look crappy right now because I feel bad. Like, well, my hair should be holiday should be in Queenstown. Oh shoot, sorry. Yep. So yeah, I'm heading out to the Filipino shop right now. I'm gonna try to get some bananas. We're gonna steam out bananas right now, and then we're just gonna enjoy the day. Yeah, it breaks my heart, but I'm still waiting for my visa. If it comes, if it rocks up anytime soon, then I might be able to catch up because the wedding's gonna be on Friday. So if it's gonna come before Thursday, I can fly Thursday. I hope I can. Oh, gotta get down. So yeah, it sucks that I can't go to Queenstown right now and shoot the wedding at Wanaka, Dipai's wedding at Wanaka. Good thing that Aldine and Don were oh shit, I hit the floor. A good thing that I have Aldine and Don shoot video initially. So Don's shooting the photo right now, and Aldine will be shooting the video alone. But it's all good, and the guys are there. They just landed and posted me some videos. Here it is.
Boss, saan ka pupunta, boss?
Alam mo na kung saan.
Si Mikel, nasaan? Ay, Ken. Okay ka lang? Okay ka lang dyan sa loob?
Shit. Boss, pasundo daw si Mikel pagdating niya.
Pasundo pagdating mo ron.
But yeah, I'm still planning to go. If I can go there, if the visa is gonna rock up in 2 days, then I might still go this coming Thursday and shoot the wedding this Friday. Also, we need to come back like Saturday evening because the thing is we have another shoot. We have another wedding this coming Sunday. So yeah, everything's like so schedule's like so tight. Like I shot 3 weddings last weekend, like last Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, and I'll be shooting another wedding also this coming Sunday. So I might shoot another wedding this Saturday. I'm not sure, but I can go to Queenstown, then that will be good. I can't shoot the wedding this Saturday, but I can do the Queenstown one. Damn it, I'm not there. Anyway, gotta go. Okay, to explain more about the visa situation that I'm in, I'm not yet an Australian citizen, and I'm not yet a permanent resident here. We're just under a different visa. And for that case, we need to apply for a visa heading to New Zealand. My nose looks big. Okay, to explain more about the visa situation that I'm in, I'm currently not an Australian citizen and not yet a permanent resident here, so our visa is different. Thing is, we need to apply for a visa to head to New Zealand. I had a visa there last August, which was around 2-3 months ago. So we applied for the visa for around 9 days. So it was quick, it was smooth, and we traveled around New Zealand. The thing is, due to the Christchurch happening, like the Christchurch tragedy of some Aussie just shooting some Muslims there. The thing is, they're kind of strict, and they give us only one entry for that visa. So I need to apply again for this visa this week. And the thing is, when I reapplied, took them too long to get me an officer to work on my visa. So right now I'm supposed to be there in New Zealand, and I'm still here, and I still don't have any visa, still don't have any worker, and it sucks big time. Disappointed, but yeah, it's a good thing that again, I have my team there, and they can take care of everything. Just breaks my heart. I wanted to work there. Anyway, enough of that. Right now it's what day are we today? Today is Tuesday, and it's a holiday today. It's a Melbourne Cup. People are enjoying the good weather also, because it's been raining for the past few days. Like we're shooting a wedding last Saturday and last Sunday, and it's really crappy. Weather was really crappy. Yesterday also was rainy, but today is perfect. Clear skies, awesome. Planning to go out, but the thing is, Laura's still asleep, so I don't want to wake her up. She might be resting or anything else. I also had a good rest this morning, just seeing how it goes. But other than that, we'll be steaming some bananas, putting some cheese whiz on it, and we'll enjoy the day. I'll see how it goes. I don't know what's gonna happen, but yeah, we're gonna enjoy the day. Exactly. Yeah. Okay. I need to start editing on my videos and catch up on my vlogs. I don't know when this vlog is going to be uploaded, because I have lots of vlogs, and I'm still trying to finish our Queenstown holidays, which was last September. Yeah, and I'm still editing it. It's taking a bit of time. I'm so busy, but it's gonna be up soon. Just a nonsense, unprepared vlog. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna get back to work, and I don't know what's gonna happen later. I'm gonna add some in the vlog. I'm not really sure. By the time I'll be editing this, I'll be maybe, oh, this is what happened, but I don't know. Anything goes when I do vlogs. So yeah, that's it. So yeah, bye. No, I shouldn't say bye. I said see you in a few. Yeah. Update, just got my visa now. Yes. Problem, wedding is just today, and they're just heading to the reception in New Zealand. So shit, very disappointed. Very disappointed.